Now, I'm recording this video on Wednesday, and today we had a pretty rough day for silver. Now, this is obviously gold, but you can see silver over here, and it was down 4.26%. That is a huge drop. It dropped from 22.33, almost down a full dollar. That is insane. That rarely happens for silver. So there's some heavy selling volume here in silver. So the problem here is that I don't think we will see strong days ahead for the metal. And you guys have seen some of my price models, my silver price forecast model. And again, I'm going to give you guys that. I'm thinking about different pricing, and honestly, I'm thinking like, just might do it for like 99 cents. You know, I might just make it like a subscription thing or something. But I want it to be very cheap. But as far as technical analysis is concerned, as you can see, we are on the edge, the very, very, very edge here, as far as technical analysis is concerned. And for those of you who know about candlesticks, we have a long way to drop here before we hit another point of, or another area of trading range. So as you can see, there was a huge run up here initially back in July of 2020. And we're pretty much on that edge right now. And my model basically looked at like the $20 level as being a level, $20.05. And that's kind of right around here. It was like $20.05, $20.03. But this is where we see a lot of activity. And even down here as well. So I think that if we experience continued weakness here, it may have the potential to drop down even into the $20 range. And you know, that's what my model kind of spit out. And honestly, I really wouldn't put it past it at this point. Here we have the Bollinger Bands and also MACD. You can't see it right now, but the RSI is at the bottom. But for the Bollinger Band, hugging that bottom band pretty significantly. You can see right there, pretty much we are, back in heavy red territory again for the MACD, when it looked like we were kind of like in a bit of a trading range, and then we just kind of fell back down again. So things are looking pretty weak for silver at the moment. And I really don't see a near-term case for an extreme bullish rise. Again, October tends to be a pretty hard month for financial assets. November tends to be a pretty decent month. And again, we've been seeing the DXY rise pretty aggressively against gold and silver. It's pretty much been hugging that top band and been having some pretty strong momentum. You can even see it here on the RSI that it's in overbought territory. So who knows, there might be some mean reversion in the future for the dollar. But still, I mean, overall, there's some strength here. So this is just something for us to keep an eye out for. For those of you who are looking at buying opportunities for silver, I mean, when was the last time it's been this low? So for me, again, this isn't financial advice, but these are the times that I'm really like hoping that the weakness actually lasts a little bit longer. Hopefully it lasts a little bit longer into October, so I can buy some other my last tube of 2021 maples. I bought one in early August. I'm hoping to buy one more tube of 2021 maples, but we'll see. If this weakness continues, I will definitely make a move on that. But guys, let me know what you think about the continued weakness here in silver, this is just my forecast. I'm expecting to see a little bit more weakness. Let me know what you think.